Good morning, everyone. This is Wild Wishers TV. Let's find out and study the adorable and exotic animals with unique whiskers living in the earth. And at the end, I have a question for you to answer, and you might be one of the lucky ones to win this channel's annual raffle promo. Let's go. The star-nosed mole, Condyleura cristata, is a small, insectivorous mammal found in the wetlands of eastern North America. It is named for the distinctive star-shaped appendage on the end of its snout, which is made up of 22 fleshy, pink tentacles that are covered in sensitive touch receptors called Eimer's organs. These organs allow the mole to detect the slightest movements and vibrations in the soil, helping it to locate and capture prey such as worms, insects, and small invertebrates. The star-nosed mole has a dark, velvety fur and is roughly the size of a small mouse, with a body length of about 15 centimeters and a weight of around 50 grams. It is primarily active at night, spending much of its time burrowing in the soft, moist soil of marshes and wetlands. Despite its unusual appearance, the star-nosed mole is a highly adapted and successful predator, with the ability to locate and consume prey in as little as 230 milliseconds, one of the fastest response times of any vertebrate. It is also able to swim and dive for extended periods of time, and can remain submerged for up to 10 seconds while hunting underwater prey. The star-nosed mole reproduces once a year, typically between February and April. Males will actively search for females during this time, and once they have found a mate, they will engage in a short period of courtship before mating. After a gestation period of approximately 45 days, the female will give birth to a litter of between 2 and 7 young. The newborn moles are hairless and blind, and are entirely dependent on their mother for the first few weeks of life. They will remain in the burrow for several weeks, growing and developing until they are ready to venture out and explore their surroundings. In the wild, star-nosed moles typically live for around 2 to 3 years, although some individuals have been known to live for up to 4 years. In captivity, they may live longer, with some individuals reaching 5 to 6 years of age. The star-nosed mole has several unique characteristics that make it well adapted to its environment and lifestyle. Here are a few notable characteristics. Star-shaped nose. As the name suggests, the star-nosed mole has a distinctive star-shaped appendage on the end of its snout. This organ is made up of 22 fleshy, pink tentacles that are covered in sensitive touch receptors called Eimer's organs. The star-nosed mole uses these tentacles to detect prey by touch, allowing it to locate and capture insects and small invertebrates in the soft, moist soil of its wetland habitat. Strong digging abilities. The star-nosed mole has powerful forelimbs and large, shovel-like paws that are ideal for digging through the loose, wet soil of its habitat. The mole can tunnel through soil at a rate of up to 15 centimeters per second, and can also swim and dive with ease. Fast response times. The star-nosed mole has some of the fastest response times of any vertebrate, able to locate and consume prey in as little as 230 milliseconds. No visible ears. The star-nosed mole has no external ears, with its ear canals hidden behind fur and bone. This helps to prevent soil and water from entering the ear canal while the mole is digging and swimming. Semi-aquatic lifestyle. The star-nosed mole is well adapted to living in wetland habitats, and is semi-aquatic, able to swim and dive for extended periods of time while hunting for prey. As insectivores, star-nosed moles play an important role in their ecosystem by controlling populations of insects and other small invertebrates. They are also preyed upon by a variety of predators, including owls, hawks, foxes, and snakes, and thus serve as an important food source for these animals. In addition, the star-nosed mole is an important indicator species for wetland health. Because they are highly specialized to living in wetland habitats, their presence or absence can be used as an indicator of the overall health of these ecosystems. By monitoring star-nosed mole populations, researchers can gain insights into the overall health and well-being of wetland ecosystems, which can help inform conservation and management efforts. Overall, while they may not be the most well-known or charismatic animals, star-nosed moles play an important role in their ecosystem and can provide valuable insights into wetland health and conservation. My question: the star-nosed mole weight is? Comment your answer with your name. And please share, consider subscribe and click the bell icon. Your simple viewing, sharing and subscribing is big help to self-supporting student in the Philippines that we help. Thank you.